I decided to come down to the swimming beach. I hear birds. And of course there's nobody swimming because there's ice on the pond. Looks like rockets went off up in the sky. Oh yeah, there's a lot of birds over there. And some people fishing. All these goose footprints in the sand. This is a mullein plant, a couple of them. There they are. Oh, there's even some bugs. Wow. It's March. Sounds like they want me to go away. So there's some ice on the pond. And some of it's melted. Wow, look at that. All right, I hope you're having a great day, whatever you're doing. It's cool down here. Look at all the stuff that washed up these reeds. Okay. Love you.